Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night to Mr. Rahman Faisal. Before I want to say I'm sorry if my English language not good and I cannot speak English language well. And I'm sorry if my pronunciation is bad. And I am sorry if my word is wrong. I'm sorry for that. In this opportunity, I just try to speak up for this in this video for training my skill English language for speaking and for take the conversation in this video. Okay, so in this opportunity I want to tell story about me, about my life journey, and I want to sharing my experience when I'm studying at Pamulang University, and when I'm meet with my friend, and when I'm studying with the lecture, and I want to explain about the environment at Pamulang University. And in this opportunity too, I want to say I am very grateful, and I'm very lucky for a story about my life in this opportunity. Okay, before I continue my story, the first I want to say thank you and gratefully big to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, who has given me the time, who has given me the opportunity, so I can take this video for examination at in intermediate English in a good condition and happy situation. And I think for all blessing that have helped me reach where I'm today. So I'm really grateful for the chance when I've had my health and my strength. So there is for to keep learning and chasing my dream. And I also want to say thanks to Mr. Rahman Faisal for being such a great teacher for me and for us. Okay, I'm very lucky meet with you, Mr. Rahman Faisal, even online, just still online. But I'm very lucky, and I think your class is amazing, and I'm very lucky for learn from you, and you support me and support us for means a lot. And I hope to use what I learned here in my future career and in my future life. Okay, so before I'm continue my chatting, before I'm continue my speaking in this opportunity in this video explanation, let me introduce myself. My name is Agung Kurniawan, and now I'm studying at Pamulang University. I like to share a bit about my life journeys and so far, including the experience that have helped shape who I am today. And I want to story a little bit about my experience at Pamulang University, how the friend, how the lecture, and how the environment. I want to tell a story about that. Okay, so I want to tell story a bit about my life. And after I graduate for SMKIT Baitul Aziz, I want to grab every opportunity to learn and grow for my life. And one of my first steps, I was studying at in Kampung English or English Village. And there is just for 2 months, and I am studying anything about English language, and I'm learning about English language at Gajah course. And after that, I'm studying English. I have studied English at the Fordils, and I have studied at Peace English course. And in there, I have the big experience, and I have many experience for speaking, and I'm just speaking a little bit maybe. Okay, so in Kediri, that experience really changed my life. Being surrounded by others who wanted to learn English pushed me to step on, and I can out of the comfortable zone, and I can improve my English language skill, and I can improve my communication to communicate better, which has been really helpful in my career. And it was more than just a language course. It was the time of personal growth to have me skill I still use today. Okay, and after in English village and or after in English at Kampung English, I start working the ticketing industry. I was exciting and challenging because I had to manage reservation and help the customer. Okay, and this job for me taught me to pay attention to detail, stay organized, and be patient. With my customer. And I learned about the important good service, and it's especially when people really on you to make their experience enjoyable. Okay, and when I'm working for this job ticketing, and I was taught a time what I learned about managing my time and about staying calm under pressure and focusing on finding a solution. Okay, after that I moved to sales marketing position, which brought new challenge, and sales is a different game, and I had to push myself to communicate clearly and understand what clients need. And the role taught me and I had to push myself, communicate clearly and understand what client need. And this role taught me resolution on how important is to keep training and is to keep training, and this is for building my skill with my team. And I learned strategies for negotiation and building relationship in sales. Every no just means I'm step closer to a yes. And this attitude helped me stay positive and determined. Okay, and right now I'm working as a HR at PT Harmonian Group, and where I can use all the skill when I've learned this job for request organization, communication, and multitasking. And I'm grateful for my past experience, and I can prepare for this role. And I'm learning about the real estate industry and using my skill every day and balancing my student at Pamulang University with my full-time job. And it's challenging, but it's working too. I got to apply what I learned in class, the real world situation, which I have reinforced my knowledge and gain practical experience. And going back to school while working was an easy decision. And at first, I wasn't so sure I could handle, but support from my family, my friend, and co-worker, and I decided to keep a try choose Pamulang University because it's easier to continue my education while working. Now that I'm my second semester, I'm finding a good balance between work and study, and CJ feels like I'm getting closer to my goal. And my is to keep growing, especially at management, business, and investment, so can I build a better future for myself and my life. And that's my is majoring management at Pamulang University. The study environment here is very supportive, even though we only meet face to face once a week. And my classmate and my lecturer or my teacher who come from different background like HR and government. This experience have not only broadened my knowledge but also motivate me to work even harder. And one thing I really appreciate is Pamulang University for a learning system which allow me study online, and this advantage for working student like me. And as and let's upkeep with our study with searching our job. For anyone working but wanting for further there, have flexible, and Universitas Pamulang is a great choice. And have flexible class and Tuesday and Saturday, and the vision is affordable, so money isn't as a big of barrier. And some people ask it easy to find a job for after graduation from Universitas Pamulang, and my answer is success or depend on your own effort. Okay, and no matter where you study, if you work hard and stay focused, and you can do well. And many graduates from Pamulang University have gone on to do amazing thing, and are not is respect and not respect, but in fact many of my friends already have good jobs in various fields with well study. And this is my message for anyone curious about the value of education. In this degree doesn't guarantee success, but hard work and decision will. A degree combined with determination and the willingness to keep pushing forward, and can help you achieve your goal. And with a positive attitude and persistence, and your accomplish so much. And this is my story about my life, about my journey life, and this is my experience at Pamulang University. So I hope gratefully for all, and to Mr. Ahmad Faisal, I want to say thank you again for giving me the chance to share my story. I'm excited for learn more from with you. Okay, and I look forward to my journey ahead. But in school, and this just for this for me, I'm sorry if many mistakes when I'm talking in this video. I'm sorry big to Mr. Ahmad Faisal. I'm closing this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.